Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set A3 paper size in Photoshop. So hover cursor to file, click on it, then click on page setup. And also guys, you can use this shortcut Shift plus Control plus P to open page setup. Now here you can select A3 or A5 as your need, like A3. Select it, select here orientation, landscape portrait, change margin. This is the margin 4 inches. Then click on OK. So this way you can set A3 paper size in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.